Hello, I am Mofy the giraffe, and today I will plant some flowers. I will get some help from a little truck and an excavator. Super! The little truck brought me some flowers. Oh, and they smell really nice. Hey, little truck, I think we will also need some sand and soil. While the little truck is away, an excavator will help me to dig a hole. Hello, excavator. Could you help me to dig a hole for my flowers, please? Wow, you have such a big bucket. You can put so much soil in it. Thank you, excavator. I could never dig such a deep hole myself. Okay, great. Our hole is ready, but we need some tools for planting the flowers. Look! The little truck is here again, and it brought us some sand. Okay, come back, back a bit more. Okay, stop here. Now offload the sand. Super. Excellent. We make such a great team. Now could you please bring me some soil for the flowers too? Now we should rake the sand. And trample it down too. Tramp, 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 tramp. Now let's put our flowers onto the sand. They look beautiful. Ah, the little truck is back with the soil. You returned just in time, little truck. Offload the soil right onto the flower bed, please. Thank you so much, little truck. It's great you have a big trailer on your back. You really helped us. Bye-bye. Now let's put soil carefully around our flowers. and pat it down like this. Now the most important task. We take a watering can and water our flowers so they can begin to grow. Look at these beautiful flowers I now have in my garden. Do you like them? And now I need to go and wash my hands. Bye!